Just do this really quick, hold on. Okay, so KJ and ooh, wow, that's shaky. KJ and I are out here. That's Mac over there. And he runs our lean team, keeping things prepped for all the guys in the field. So he's just gonna walk us through really quick how the warehouse works, how we receive, how we get everything prepped. That's his domain.
We have a system where we basically would bring all the table parts over to build hop table, and it would start right here with the gentleman who is prepping the table, and his job would be to place all of these items onto the table, not screwing anything down. Then he after finishing that would pass it over here to the next gentleman, and he would be doing the Allen screws on the table first. He would do all the table legs here, the Allen screws, or we go around the side, stretch out the bars and sink all those Allens in. Then he would pass it right over to this guy, and this guy would have a Phillips screwdriver, and he would be placing in all the Phillips screws that go into the table. Zip them all in, and then he passes it along.
So how many guys in the table building station?
Well, it was 4, and then after they added the troughs and extra electrical, we added 2 more guys because it was bottlenecking. So we put in 2 guys on the electrical because there's 2 separate boxes and you're not using all the parts in both of the boxes.
How long does it take 6 guys to build a table?
12 to 15 minutes.
Awesome.
Yeah. A table?
Yeah.
And how long does it take 1 guy to build a table?
It depends on the guy. Just from start to finish, just by themselves, it'd probably take about 22 minutes.
Yeah,
and it would take us like an hour. A normal human, it would take about an hour.
With your vast IKEA experience?
Yes, I'm very good at the IKEAs.
And what's going on with this whole taped off area, all this stuff?
This is our staging area for things going out.
And it's all taped out in the size of the different trucks so we know exactly what fits?
Yep. Yes, these ones here. So we can basically set them aside and then put them on.
Like 10 to 40 minutes in the truck.
What's your favorite thing about being a BII?
The people I work with and the atmosphere, the drive.
Specifically KJ?
Yeah.
One thing that people might not know about you.
I like snowboarding. I don't
There you go. All right, that works.
And martial arts.
Oh, martial arts? I didn't know that.
Like sword fighting. I throw axes and ninja stars. And
what?
I have a huge
That's cool.
log in my backyard.
The next BII event will be at his house with weapons.
Let's do it.